How to fix device limit raised on Prime Video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open a Prime Video on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now tap on My Stuff at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now on the settings page, simply scroll down and find Register Devices. Then tap on it. Again wait for some time. Now select the device you don't use often and simply tap on Sign Out. Again tap on Sign Out. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.